today is the day we're going to pick up the 2007 Toyota Yaris. The front bumper has been painted, the door has been put back together because it needed the front mirror, the door handle on the outside, the whole door panel on the inside, and the glass put back together. Basically. All right, guys, our first test drive in the Toyota Yaris. Manual it is from IAA. It's running and driving pretty good. AC's blowing cold. Pretty basic car. It's a pretty good car. I like it, man. It's running and driving good. I can't complain, man. All right, guys. I'll see y'all when I get to the house, man. All right, guys. So far, still running and driving good. It's pretty clean on the highway. Like I said, I'm liking it. Can't complain. I'm about to clean it up probably tomorrow. Give it a good bath tomorrow. Like I said, this is a manual. So this one is pretty easy to drive. This manual is pretty easy to drive. Because I'm not good at driving manuals, but this one is pretty easy to drive. So I'm pretty sure whoever buys it won't have a problem, having fun in traffic in this one. But I'll see you guys when we get back to the apartment. Alright guys, this is it. 2007 Toyota Yaris. Just got the front bumper painted. Look, manual, made it home. Straight from IAA. Well, after we got the work done. 2007 Toyota Yaris. I gotta wash it up. Show you the inside. That's the inside. Pretty basic car. Like I said, it is a manual. AC does work. Now I'm happy with it, guys. That's just cleaning it up inside and out and posting it for sale. I'll get back to y'all in a minute. All right, guys, next morning we are here at the car wash, getting ready to wash the 2007 Toyota Yaris. Right now I'm at the vacuum because once again all the rest of the bays are taken up, so I'm about to go ahead and vacuum clean it first, then I'll wash it, and when I'm done washing it I'll pull it back over here, dry it off, and then wipe the inside down and shine it up a little bit. So I'm gonna show you guys the car one more time. All right, guys, this is the car. We got the front bumper painted. As you can see, it's pretty clean. I got about an emblem for it. But, yeah, it's pretty clean other than that. All right, guys, get back to y'all when I'm done. When I get into the bed to wash it. All right, guys. Just back and clean the car out. About to go ahead and wash it. Show you guys the inside now. Look, a couple spots on the seat. I gotta try to get out, but then I gotta wipe the dashboard off like I told you guys. But for the most part, it's clean. It's definitely clean. Car only has 105,000 miles. So I'm about to go ahead and start washing it up. Well, I'm gonna get that stuff off the window first. Then I'm gonna start washing it up. I'll get back to you guys when I'm done washing it. Alright, guys. Just got done washing it. I'm about to pull over to the vacuums and dry it. But it is clean. It is clean. Cleaned up well. Alright, guys, I'll show you after I dry it off and wash the tires up. Alright, guys, this is it before me even putting the spray wax on it. This baby shines good. It's a 2007 Toyota Yaris, if you didn't remember. It shines good. I'm going to go get that front Toyota sign. I'll go grab it. I'm thinking about leaving that toe cover out, but I'm going to get the Toyota sign for sure. But this baby shines, man. Bumper matches up to the paint real well. I'm about to throw a spray wax on it just because I want it to shine better, so when the customer comes out and look at it, it'll look better. The wheels are shining as well. This baby is shining, man. Look at it. All together, I have about it's $2,000 or under into this car. It's a 07 Toyota Yaris, and if you know the market of these, you know having at least $2,000 into it or less is not bad. This baby is shining. Look at it. I even cleaned the door jambs, because the door jambs is real dusty. I cleaned the door jambs. The only thing I gotta do to it now is just shine the inside up. I'll do that later on. Just shine the inside up to make it, shine good. And I am going to also shine the motor up. Show you guys the motor. I'm going to also shine the motor up. The motor was just dusty. I lightly sprayed it off, but I am going to be shining all the plastics up to make it look more presentable, because this car I am going to be asking a decent amount for. So I'm just going to shine all those plastics up and make it look better. Right now it's looking clean. So, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna just continue to show you guys, the cars that works for me. I'm going to be trying like a couple of new different cars just to see how those work out for me. But anything Toyota, Hyundai, Honda, Nissan, all those models, makes and models pretty much sells well. This one looks good, so I'm expecting for it to go quick and sell for a decent profit once I get the level 3 inspection done on it. But yeah, one more walk around. So after I clean it up, the only thing I gotta do now is go for the just take it for the level 3 inspection. That's pretty much it. After I do the level 3 inspection, I can post it for sale. I'll get my rebuilt title on it. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'll come back to you guys. I guess once I get back to the apartment. If I don't get back to you guys when I get to the apartment, I'll I gotta go do admissions. So we about to go do admissions after I'm done with this. That's what we about to go do, guys. Gotta take it to admissions. See you guys when we get to admissions. Hey, what's up, guys? We are at admissions so far. See if it'll pass admissions. Well, it's going to pass admissions. I'm not worried about it passing admissions. Hope you guys can hear me. But yeah, see if it passes admissions and go from there. And just like that, guys, we passed admissions, no problem. So yeah, I'm on my way back to the apartment. See you guys when we get there. It's still driving good, guys. I have no complaints, man. So it's like, shit, what can I complain about? Got a good deal on it, can't complain. Can't complain, man. It's rolling. Like I said, I'm still getting used to driving this fucking stick shift, boy. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Especially trying to record, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. Yeah, but hey, I'm getting it, man. Shit. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, guys. See y'all when we get back to the place. I'll show y'all the car one more time. Give y'all one more walk around of it. But we did pass admissions. So my next thing I gotta do is take it to to get inspected. And that's it, guys. See y'all when we get back to the apartment. Alright, guys, here it is. Cleaned up real well. Like I said, the bumper matches up to the rest of the car. It's real clean. It's a Yaris S. It's not just a Toyota Yaris, it's a Yaris S. It's clean all the way around. Got a little sun fade on the film, but that ain't nothing too bad. That's pretty much it, guys. Alright, guys, so I am going to end the video right now. So in this video, we showed you guys the car. We showed you guys basically me taking it to the car wash, the first test drive of it, taking it to emissions. It passed the emissions. So the next video is going to be me taking you guys with me to go buy the Toyota emblem for the front bumper. We're going to take it to get the vehicle inspection on it, so we get the rebuilt title, and post it when and also in that same video we're going to show you guys when it's sell. So basically, I just wanted to show you guys the Toyota Yaris. Like I said, the only thing I had to do to it, really, the only thing I bought for this car was a front bumper and the front grille. Everything else was in the car. It had needed the door panel put on, the window put on, the door handle put on, the mirror put on, and then you see I'm gonna insert video somewhere where you see the front bumper was crashed. That was pretty much it. I didn't buy no other parts, just the front bumper and the grille. That was it. Because other than that, it was pretty clean. Like I said, when I got it, of course, it was dirty. Didn't know it was gonna shine this well. Because right now it is shining good. I didn't expect for it to shine this good, guys. So I'm not gonna lie, I didn't think it was gonna clean up this well. So now the price might go up. You never know, the price might go up on this one, man. Like I said, the car was like $1,580. The bumper was about $60. The grill was about another $30. So altogether, that was probably like another $100 for that. Vehicle inspection $17. I mean, the emissions was $17. The vehicle inspection should be about another $50. And then that's pretty much it. So let's say $1,580 for the car, $100 for the bumper. That's $1,680. Let's just say another $80. We was at $1,680. Another $80. So we're gonna be at $1,760. So yeah, man, about $1,760. Let's just call it, we $1,800 into it. Did I have to tow this one? No, I didn't have to tow this one. So we about $1,800 into this one, man. I got to figure out a decent price to post it at, because I do got other cars I gotta buy. I got a Hyundai Sonata 2011. It's an IAA right now. I gotta go pay for that one. I just paid for my 2013. I wanted the 2013 Hyundai Elantra. Got to do front end damage to that. I got to fix front end damage on that one as well. What else? I got the Elantra, the Sonata. We sold both of the Sebrings. We sold the Jaguar. I got a 2014 Charger that I'm keeping. I just bought that one. Well, we just got that one back. So my partner, he's helping me with that one or whatever, getting it put together. That's about it, man. We got that Honda Cross Tour. Gonna figure out what we're gonna do with that Honda Cross Tour. What else? That's about it so far that I got. But still gonna be buying more and more cars. So I'm gonna be bringing all those cars to the channel, so you guys can see those cars as well. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell so you get the notifications every time I upload a video, because I am going to keep dropping videos, because I am getting cars in, and I am getting used to talking in front of the camera, because I'm not a people person kind of far as talking in front of crowds, so I'm getting more comfortable with it. I just got to buy me a camera because I see this thing is shaky, so I just got to buy me a camera because I'm still recording off my iPhone. But yeah, man, I'm liking this Yaris. It's clean. Didn't have to do much work to it. The only thing I had to get painted was the front bumper and grille. Everything else was the same color as the car, was already on the car, didn't do nothing. Even the fender wells was in the car, because those was taken off as well. Everything was in the trunk. So, yeah, guys. We on to the next video, god dang it. I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, man. We ain't gonna do nothing but keep turning up on this channel, man. I'm gonna keep giving y'all more positive energy. I'm gonna start turning up instead of being on, man, yeah, how y'all doing today? Fuck that. We gonna start turning up on this shit, man. I'm gonna start being my goddamn self on this shit, man. Cause, you know, I ain't used to doing all the other shit. I'm used to being myself, and that's the only way I know how to goddamn be is myself only. Goddamn it. But I'll see y'all in the next goddamn video. I'm out, man.